Did you know that no lawyer in New York can ever guarantee your result in your accident case, your medical malpractice case, or even your wrongful death case? Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Asheville, North Carolina. It's a beautiful morning here and I wanted to share this great information with you. Now, there is no attorney in New York or literally anywhere else that can ever guarantee you a particular result. Did you know that? How amazing is that? Lawyers advertise all the time and they promote themselves all the time as talking about what great experience they have. But not one single attorney anywhere in New York can ever turn around and say, I can guarantee that I can get you a particular result. So let me ask you this question. If not a single attorney can ever make a promise to you and can ever guarantee to you a particular result, how do you know which attorney is the right one for you? How do you know which one is right for you and your particular case? And the reality is that you have to spend a considerable amount of time deciding which attorney is right for you. You know, somebody may refer you to an attorney that they used in the past. They may tell you, listen, go to my attorney, he's the best lawyer in New York. And you know what? For their purposes, that attorney may have been the best lawyer in New York for them. One of the key things you have to always keep in mind, obviously, is do they have experience handling your particular case? How long have they been in practice? Have they had experience handling the same exact type of case that you have? But you should also know that just because an attorney has achieved great results in the past does not mean and does not equate that they can do the same type of thing for you in your particular legal matter. Most importantly, and this is something critical you should be aware of, when you go to an attorney, no matter which one it is, you need to ask them a whole series of questions. Let me give you one of the basic things you need to look for. No matter which attorney you talk to, no matter which attorney's office you go into, you need to know for yourself, how does the attorney make me feel? How does the law firm make me feel when I call the office? Am I treated impersonally? Am I treated as if they know me for a long time? Am I a trusted and valued client? How often does the attorney get in touch with me to keep me up to date on my particular case? Do I have to reach out to the attorney and call the attorney all the time saying, hey, what's going on in my case? Or does the attorney have a system in place to let me know on an ongoing basis exactly what's going on every step of the way? So these are just some of the things you need to think about as you're deciding which attorney is right for you to handle your accident case, your medical malpractice case, or even your wrongful death matter. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding that nobody, no attorney can ever guarantee your result. And if anybody does, my recommendation is to ask them to put it in writing and ask them how they know they can guarantee a result. I guarantee you, you'll be shocked at what they say. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski, coming to you from Asheville, North Carolina. Have a wonderful day.